Wait a second. Where did the carrot go? Okay, let's just ignore it and open it. Got a crocodile. Oh, crocodile. Let's put it in the middle. That's always the best thing, right, cameraman? Okay, let's turn it around. Hey, cameraman!
There's a crocodile, saltwater crocodile.
Okay.
But there are different types of crocodile. Some are on the fresh water, some are the soft water.
What's soft water?
Not soft. Salt. That means seawater.
Salt, not salt. I don't know what you're talking about. What?
It's crocodile.
You can open animals.
Crocodile eat a lot of things.
Wait. I feel I hear something. What? How did the carrot get in here?
Somebody put the carrots inside the box?
Did I put it?
Yeah, maybe.
No, I did not put it.
Your sister.
I don't have a sister. It's in my assistant's tummy. Still. I mean my mom.
Yeah, it's still in mommy oval.
Oval. What is oval?
Yeah, the thing in the body to hold the to hold the baby. Yeah.
Okay.
Where is the crocodile? Where is it?
It's on top of the camera. Use these frisbees. Aya.
Eat the camera. You want to eat the camera.
I'm gonna use these cards to frisbee him.
Oopsie.
I put one on the floor. And then he's eating the card. Oh no! He's breaking my English card. I only know how to read English. Stop biting the English. Where's the Japanese one? Bite this one. It's so fun. Did you put the Japanese one first?
No.
Yay! He's stuck. He's not gonna let me pull it out. Oh. Okay, Frisbee. So see you on the last video, or we should open it now. Just kidding. Bye.